Welcome to the Widex Eshop for professionals. When ordering products or accessories for a specific client, choose Personal or Patient Order. Depending on your country's configuration of the eShop, the procedure can go by both titles, but always includes these steps. Specify the hearing aids, select accessories, enter shipping information, and confirm the order. The first step is to select a hearing aid model. The available models are displayed in the scroll bar at the bottom of the window, and they can be filtered either by selecting a specific series from the drop-down list or by selecting specific features to search by, either style types, features, or performance level. When the desired model has been chosen, place the cursor over the product image and click the red or blue circle to select the corresponding hearing aid. Or click the mix icon to choose the hearing aid as a pair. The selected hearing aids will now be displayed in the center of the window. From here, you can specify the selected hearing aid even further. For instance, you can choose the color of the hearing aid by clicking on the Options tab below the product image. Here you can also enter the client's audiometric information. This can also be done later in the process. In the drop-down lists next to the product image, you can make even further specifications, depending on which model has been selected in the first place. After these specifications have been made, you may want to add some accessories to the client's order. Proceed to this by clicking the Accessories tab or by clicking on the right arrow in the upper right corner. Once on the Accessories page, you can toggle between the entire range of accessories and only the related products. The accessories can also be filtered by ticking the specific product categories. To select a product, simply type in the desired quantity and click Add. If necessary, this can be corrected later in the process. When the desired items and quantities have been chosen, click the right arrow or the Shipping tab to proceed. The shipping page is where the place of delivery of the product can be specified, as well as the shipping information required by Widex in your country. The default address displayed on this page will be the address of your clinic. The address can be edited if the product is to be delivered elsewhere. The client's audiometric information can also be added here if it hasn't already been done so. Click the right arrow or the Confirmation tab to proceed. The order confirmation page gives the opportunity to check the details of the order. If any of the details are incorrect, use the Product User tab or the left arrow to go back and change the order details. If the details are correct, click Accept Order, and the order will be sent via email to the order team at Widex in your country. You can always access your order history by clicking on the My Orders tab. That is how you place a personal or patient order within the Widex eShop.